Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Oleg Sedletsky, your Dallas area realtor. This video is part of my conversation with local loan originator Wrayanne Williams. You can find the link to the full video in the description below. I always tell my clients to have at least 3 different quotes from different lenders so they can choose the best deal. What should buyers be asking when shopping for a home loan?
So remember that when you're shopping for a home loan, nobody can promise you an interest rate yet, okay? So you want to ask the questions about the terms of the loan because that dictates what your monthly payment looks like and how much money you need to bring to closing. But also talk to your lender about whether or not they offer opportunity to lock in an interest rate before you identify a property, how long you can lock your interest rate, because those are the things that determine whether or not the interest rate that they're talking to you about is guaranteed. You're definitely going to want to ask questions like, how long does it take to close? Many of the questions you've already asked me here today, Oleg, but how long does it take to close? How much money am I going to need at closing? What money am I going to need prior to closing? Because most lenders, including myself, we collect the appraisal fee in advance. Some might collect additional deposits from you in advance. You're going to want to know how long the loan officer has been a licensed loan officer and what their credentials are. I usually encourage people to go and check me out on the internet. I send them a link to my website, but also if you just Google my name or Dallas Mortgage Girl, you're going to find a ton of information about me out there, including recommendations, referrals, and all the information that you would need. I do think that because this is the biggest purchase of your life, it's very important that you're dealing with an experienced, well-educated loan officer that not only has the credentials you need, but is just somebody you like dealing with, because you're going to be talking to them on and off over the course of a few months. And so you want it to be somebody that you feel like you can trust and that you like. And then you also want to ask the questions about the bank that they represent. So for example, Cardinal Financial is a mortgage bank. All we do is mortgage loans. We don't offer car loans or checking accounts. So we specialize in mortgage specific banking. There are mortgage brokers, which means that they just act kind of as a middleman between a bank like mine and the consumer, and that person just acts as a middleman. And then there's the big banks that offer all types of financial assistance, including checking accounts and car loans and home mortgages. And you just kind of have to pick which one seems right for you. As a mortgage professional, I find that working for a mortgage-specific bank is the best option because my underwriters, my processors, everybody's here in-house. We work for the same company, so there's not a lot of back and forth. And I understand what our underwriters are looking for, and I find that it leads to a more streamlined process for the end user. Other than that, just make sure that you're ask for a loan quote, ask to see things in writing, ask anything. There are no stupid questions, so don't be afraid to ask questions, but definitely ask as many questions as you can. Don't ever hold back on those. It's important.
That's great advice.